Hello dear friends. Today we will discuss on the different type of circuit breaker. Before I will going to explain about the different type of circuit breaker, I would like to tell you about what is circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is an electrical equipment that break a circuit either manually or automatically under no load or full load or short circuit condition. It's operate manually for maintenance and it operate automatically when fault occur in circuit. Now the different rating of circuit breaker. These are the different rating of circuit breaker: rating voltage, rating current, rated frequency, rating breaking capacity, making capacity, rating interrupting duties, short circuit time, rating and rating operating sequence. Friends, this is a very important during the time of design of circuit breaker. So first, the rating of circuit breaker. First, rated voltage. Rated voltage is defined as the highest RMS voltage above the nominal system voltage for the circuit breaker is designed. This is the nominal voltage in kV RMS, and this is the rated voltage of circuit breaker in kV RMS. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is the RMS value. It is the one of the most important characteristic of a sine wave. The RMS value of a sine wave produce the same heating effect in the resistance as equal to the DC. The abbreviation of RMS is stand for root mean square, that is root 2. Now second, rated current or rated normal current. It is the RMS value of the current which circuit breaker can carry continuously without exceeding temperature rise limit of various part. Means the rated current of circuit breaker, it is a continuously carry the current without any hitting any part of equipment in circuit breaker. That is the material it is used for the material it is used for the current carrying is copper. The temperature is 65 degrees centigrade and silver plating temperature is 50 degrees centigrade. Third one is rated frequency. The rated frequency of circuit breaker is the frequency that which affected the rate of transient recovery voltage. In our India, adopted the frequency is 50 Hz. Now the rated breaking capacity. The rated breaking capacity is a breaking current of a pole. A circuit breaker is a current at the instant contact of separation. That is, the when fault occur in the circuit breaker, the instant contact of a separation, that time is known as the rated breaking. The rated breaking capacity, which is divided into two parts. First one is the symmetrical breaking capacity and second one is the unsymmetrical breaking capacity. Friends, symmetrical breaking capacity only which is occur in a AC circuit breaker, and unsymmetrical breaking capacity which is in a AC as well as DC. Now, this is the waveform of symmetrical and unsymmetrical short circuit current. In the beginning, the short circuit current is a unsymmetrical. Due to what? Due to the DC component is there. And when DC will die out completely, the short circuit current become a symmetrical. Now breaking capacity expressed in MVA. Why breaking capacity of circuit breaker expressed in MVA? So how to calculate in case of three phase system is root 3 means three phase VI into 10 raised to minus 6. We will divide it the this rating is a kV and kilo ampere. That is the breaking capacity is expressed in a MVA, that is in three-phase circuit is root 3 kV and kiloampere. Now rated making capacity. Making capacity, it is a root mean square of symmetrical breaking capacity. But the doubling effect in a sinusoidal waveform, the method in unsymmetrical current consider the multiplying by 1.8, that is the value is 2.55 into symmetrical breaking capacity. Next one, rated interrupting duties. These include the short time rated operating sequence. Next, short time rating. It expressed as the current value and time duration. So, friends, this is the different rating of circuit breaker. Thank you.